Get organized 5 ways to be more productive with the Amazon Echo. With a smart assistant in your home, there is no reason to be disorganized. Here are some ways to get a little extra help from Alexa, the voice inside the Amazon Echo. Table of contents: the Amazon Echo, a smart Wi-Fi connected speaker that does what you ask, has a few excellent ways for helping you stay organized. If you are a new owner of one of these devices, you might not yet realize just how smart and helpful the Echo can be at managing your calendar, reminding you of upcoming events, and even keeping a list of which songs you have heard. The Echo can carry out commands using apps and services that are otherwise unaffiliated with Amazon. Some of them include Evernote, Gmail, Spotify, Todoist, and Wunderlist. Connecting your Echo to these other tools is actually quite simple. While integration between the Echo and Google Calendar is supported natively, that's not the case for a lot of other apps. Luckily, you can use a free service called IFTTT to connect them very easily. IFTTT stands for if this then that. It lets you create interactions between different services and apps without having to know any code. For example, by following a few simple selections on the IFTTT website, you can create a command so that every time you add a new contact to your iPhone, the same information is recorded in a Google Sheet, creating an automatic backup of your address book. Another example is if there is a breaking news story on the New York Times website, then email a link to me. In November, IFTTT brought Amazon Echo into its fold, making it really easy for Echo owners to give voice command to Alexa, the robot voice of the Echo that the Amazon device cannot carry out on its own. And many of these commands help you stay organized. Here are a few that I find particularly valuable. 1. Add a new task to your favorite to-do app. If you use Evernote, Google Calendar, Todoist, iPhone reminders, or Wunderlist to manage your to-do list, you can tell Alexa what to add to your task list using just your voice. Wunderlist users need to use an IFTTT command that actually routes the task through Gmail. When you tell Alexa to add to Wunderlist, the command prompts an email to Gmail that sends to task your Wunderlist email address, which adds it to your account. The workaround is invisible to you though, as the one voice command will trigger all the necessary actions. Here are links to create each of them. Create a Google Calendar task, create a Todoist task, create an Evernote task, create a reminders task, create a Wunderlist task via email. Second, email yourself your to-do list. While I am not a fan of mixing email and my to-do lists, many people use unread messages in their inbox as a way to remember things. There an IFTTT recipe that works like this. If you ask Alexa what's on your to-do list, and then she shall email you the complete list.